Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the surface correct. Clean, push cuticles, and file to the shape you want. Apply a nail dehydrator, then a thin base coat. Cure under LED for 30 to 60 seconds so chrome adheres. Once done, test fit chrome tips or powder coverage. Pick sizes that sit flush to the sidewalls. Make sure to remove any lifting. If you skip this, the chrome will peel, so take the extra minute now to secure a strong foundation. You'll apply the chrome like a glaze, thin, even, and confident. If you use chrome powder, rub it on with a soft applicator until you get a mirror finish. If using chrome gel polish, paint thin coats and cure each one. Once the first layer looks uniform, add a second thin pass to deepen the shine. Make sure to seal the free edge. This prevents chipping. Transition smoothly between steps and keep strokes light so the chrome stays flawless. You finish by locking that chrome in place. Apply 2 thin coats of glossy gel top coat and cure fully to create a hard, protective shell. Once cured, check edges. File gently to smooth any ridges, then wipe with alcohol to remove residue. If the chrome lifts or appears dull, reapply a thin layer of base or rebond the area, then redo the chrome and top coat. One key tip: if you see lifting early, remove and start that nail over. Patching rarely holds long-term.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.